In this video, we'll be creating a password generator that will generate password based on the user preferences such as length, character set, etc. Let's dive into the code. Hello friends, this is Codecraft. You can learn coding fastly and efficiently. The first thing is I will create a Python file. I will name it password.py. Now here I will import two modules. The first one is secret module, which will ensure the random generation of password. The next one is for string. Now here I will create a function def generate password, and the first argument this function will take will be length. By default will be 12, and use underscore digits will be equal to true, and also use underscore letters will be equal to true, and the next is use underscore special chars equal to true, all Z. And by default this will be false. And the next I will create a list of characters and name it characters, and use the condition that will be if use underscore digits, then character dot extend method. Here iterable will be string dot digits. Another condition is if use underscore letters, and this will be character dot extend string dot, and that will be ASCII letters. Next condition will be if use underscore special character, I mean this will be character dot extend string dot punctuation. So after this I'll say the password will be equal to, that is a string dot join, and this will be secrets dot choice. I'm generate a password using this secure random choice, and here I will see characters or underscore in a range, and this will be len, yeah, and now I have to return the password here. I think I have made a mistake. I have to remove this and put this here, and that's good. It's the password. Now here I will say password equal to generate password, and I'll see the character and the length. I'll remain all the things by default, and here I'll simply say generated password, and that is password. There we go. I run this, and here you can see the generated password, and again I will run this will be different. Again run this will be different again and again. And now you can also specify the arguments. For example, I will say len will be equal to and say 50, and again run this, and there we go. Here you can see the generated password. That's good. So you can also false the use digit and use letter or use specific character. True, that's totally depends on you, and that's how you can generate a basic password you can make a basic password generator in Python. I hope this video will help you. You have gained some knowledge, and if you like the video, press the like button and also press the subscribe button in order to get more videos like this. Thanks for watching the video.